aspartame, reacts with water to produce aspartic acid, methanol, and phenylalanine. What mass of phenylalanine is produced from 378 grams of aspartame? Stoichiometry is fundamentally based on mole calculations and mole ratio. Therefore, regardless of the problem, the first thing you should always do is to calculate the number of moles of the substance that sufficient information has been given for. In this problem, we are asked to determine how many grams of phenylalanine are produced from 378 grams of aspartame. Thus, we will first calculate how many moles are contained in 378 grams of aspartame. We use the formula, number of moles equals mass over molar mass, to calculate the number of moles of aspartame. The mass of aspartame is 378 grams, and the molar mass of aspartame is 294 grams per mole. The number of moles of aspartame contained in 378 grams of the substance is therefore 1.2857 moles. For more accurate calculations, it is advisable that you use 4 decimal places when determining number of moles. Now that we have the number of moles of aspartame, we need to use mole ratios to calculate the number of moles of phenylalanine. Before we continue, it is important to note that a balanced chemical equation is imperative when performing stoichiometric calculations. In this problem we were given the balanced chemical equation, so we didn't have to worry about balancing. It is just something to be aware of when you have to balance the chemical equation yourself. Now that we have the number of moles of aspartame, we need to use mole ratio to calculate the number of moles of phenylalanine that are produced. From the balanced chemical equation, 1 mole of aspartame reacts with water to produce 1 mole of phenylalanine. Therefore, 1.2857 moles of aspartame produces 1.2857 moles of phenylalanine. And now that we know how many moles of phenylalanine are produced, we can calculate the mass of phenylalanine produced from 378 grams of aspartame. Thus, 212.14 grams of phenylalanine are produced from 378 grams of aspartame.